In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $235,150 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube. I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on YouTube if you want to earn some commission. For people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you guys step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information and these methods that I will share for free. Okay, you don't need any website, you don't need any followers, you don't need any paid ads. We will just use free traffic. Okay, and as you can see over here in my balance, I have $10,125 available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, so for people who want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate, just go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, with Fiverr. So just come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here. Let me show you. Just scroll down, go to community, click on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission, guys, and you can make so much money. Okay, so just click over here on join now. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country, okay, and choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose a good service that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. You cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, so how you can find good services? Just go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, open your YouTube homepage like this and use YouTube search. Before we do that, let me show you. So did you know that YouTube has 30 billion monthly visitors? You can get so much traffic from YouTube, guys. Okay, if you are not using YouTube to promote your affiliate links, you are really missing a big money and you are missing a big opportunity. Okay, you should start using YouTube because 30 billion monthly visitors, that's a really big number. Millions of people every single day are searching for specific services, specific products on YouTube. Okay, and YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one and YouTube is number two. Okay, so anyways, go to your YouTube homepage, click on the search and ask questions. So for example, we ask how to, let's say how to edit gaming, for example, and here you go. YouTube will give you a lot of topics. Just ask any question. Okay, so I asked how to edit gaming and YouTube give me those topics that people are searching for. As you can see, report, search, prediction. As you can see over here, those topics, people are searching for those topics. How to edit gaming videos for YouTube, how to edit gaming videos, how to edit gaming videos on Premiere Pro, and so on. So what you will do, you will go back to your YouTube homepage, click on the search for gaming video editing. Okay, so we will promote this service to those people who are searching for how to edit gaming videos for YouTube. A lot of people will be interested to buy this service and edit their YouTube gaming videos, okay, to make them more professional and engaging, and those sellers providing good service here. So search for gaming video editing, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, let's choose. I will choose, for example, this one. I will do YouTube gaming video editing professionally. This one is level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews. I will click on his service. Just click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Click over here and copy his profile link. Okay, copy his profile link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools. Click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, before we do that, go back to this seller profile page, click on his video.
Let me guess, you need an experienced video editor to edit.
This one is really looking good. Double click on his video, click on save video. Okay, you need to save this video to your laptop. Okay, I will name this video gaming, and after you do that, go back to Google, search for Canva. Okay, we'll use Canva. Search for Canva like this. Click on the first link. Sign up by using your email address. It's for free, of course. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video. You will be directly in this page. Click on upload. Click on upload file and upload this video. Okay, this video, gaming video over here. Click on open. Your video will be uploaded to Canva like this. Click on your video. Your video will be over here.
Yes, you need.
Click on this 3 points. Click on set video as background. Click on text. Scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. I will use this one. Just click on the text style that you want to use. Your text style will be here. I will delete this part. Decrease the font size of your text and put your text here. Double click and write this sentence: check link in my description. Okay, check link in my description like this, and I will make this text like this. Okay, after you finish, click over here on elements and click on shape. Okay, I will choose this one. Click on color, choose black color. Okay, and click on this shape and put this shape behind your text like this, and here you go. Check link in my description. People who are interested to edit gaming videos, they will watch this video. They will see this check link in my description. We will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. Okay, let's check now.
Let me guess, you need an experienced video editor to edit your YouTube videos. Well, then you probably need someone who's edited for Sideman, Circa, TDG, and someone that probably holds record for the 27th most viewed Instagram video of all time with 20 million views, and that someone is me.
We do not care.
I'm the only one on this platform that has this amount of experience over the span of 5 years. I have been.
This seller is really providing a good service. This is his example editing. That's really good. This is an engaging video. It's good. So what you will do next, click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. After you finish, go to your YouTube channel. Okay, go to your YouTube channel and copy this title: how to edit gaming videos for YouTube. Use this title for your YouTube video. The same title, don't add or change anything, just copy this. Okay, use those keywords that people are using. So if you are not using those keywords, your video will not rank in your YouTube search. So you should use those keywords. So if people click on how to edit gaming videos for YouTube, your video will be will appear in YouTube search result. Okay, so you should use those keywords. After you do that, upload this video, go to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. It's super easy. People who are searching for how to edit gaming videos for YouTube, a lot of people will be interested to buy this service and make a professional gaming videos for their YouTube audience. Okay, and that's it. This is my method. That's what I do. That's how I promote my affiliate links on YouTube. I have been doing this business for over almost 2 years now, and it's making me money. I share with you guys my affiliate, my dashboard, my affiliate account. As you can see, this is not a screenshot. This is my account. Okay, this is my balance, and that's it. So you just need to start. You need to stay consistent and keep promoting affiliate links. Use YouTube search to find profitable services. See what people are searching for, what people want on YouTube, and that's it. So for people who don't know exactly how to upload this video to your YouTube channel, how to put affiliate link in your YouTube description, I will leave a link in my description below showing you step by. I already made a video that's showing you step by step how you can do it, how you can upload this video to your YouTube channel, how you can add those affiliate links in your YouTube description, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next video.